Okay, class, we're going to continue with our activities. Today, we're going on page 59, okay? And the activity is going to be a reading activity number 1. So, this is my first question to you. What can you see in this picture? Okay, first is a smartphone. No, it's a smartphone. And what can you see on the screen of the smartphone? A picture? Uh-huh. And what's that picture? A house? It's a possibility. What else? Where is that house? In the desert? In the city? Uh-huh. Look at the title. A place with a difference. Okay, here I have a reading activity. So what do you have to do? Is to read. Here I have the audio. So let's wait and pay attention.
40. Activity 1.
A place with a difference. In the very north of Sweden, there is a village of only about 1,000 inhabitants. In winter, temperatures are normally around -10 degrees Celsius. The nights are long, and there are only 6 hours of daylight. So why do tourists visit Jukkasjärvi in winter? Well, it's quiet. There isn't any traffic, and there aren't any noisy malls. There's a small restaurant with local food and a museum with a souvenir shop. But the real attraction is the amazing Ice Hotel. The Ice Hotel is incredibly beautiful. It's different every year, and it's all ice. The building, the reception, the plates in the restaurant, the bedrooms, the beds, everything is made of ice. The temperature in the hotel is -5 degrees Celsius, but there are special clothes and sleeping bags for guests. The hotel is open from December until April. There isn't any ice in summer, of course. And it's very popular. There are also ice hotels in Canada and Romania, but there aren't any ice hotels in Morocco or Italy.
Okay, class, it's a place with a difference, no? Now, here I have a question. Says, read the review and listen. Why do tourists visit the village in winter? So you listen to the audio. Why do people visit the village in winter? To go to to go to the ice hotel. Yes, this place is a hotel and it's made of ice. Okay, that is the difference from other hotels. Now let's see. Here it says, I have an activity according to this activity. Says, read the review again, then write T for true or F for false. About letter A. About 1,000 people live in the village. True or false? About 1,000 people. Yes, in the very north of Sweden, there is a village of only about 1,000 inhabitants. 1,000. Let me see. 1,000 or 1,000. That is true. Okay, perfect. The minimum temperature in winter is -10 degrees Celsius. -10 degrees. Now let's see. In winter, temperatures are normally around -10. Normal. And here the phrase says the minimum. No. Let's continue reading. The nights are long and there are only 6 hours of daylight. So, why do tourists visit Jakarta in winter? Well, it's quiet. There isn't any traffic and there aren't any noise malls. There is a small restaurant with local food and a museum with a souvenir shop. But the real attraction is the amazing ice hotel. The answer is not yet. Let's continue reading. The ice hotel is incredibly beautiful. It's different every year, and it's all ice. The building, the reception, the plates, and the restaurant, the bedrooms, the beds. Everything is made of ice. The temperature in the hotel is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Minus 5, no minus 10. Okay, it isn't cold in the ice hotel. It isn't cold. Let's see. There are special clothes and sleeping bags for guests. The hotel is open from December to until April. There isn't any ice in the summer, of course, and it's very popular. So this one is, letter C is false. Now, letter D. The ice hotel is closed in the summer. True. Okay, here was the answer, no? There isn't any ice in summer. Okay, so remember, false, true, false, true. Remember, I'm going to give you all the answers in this video, but you have to listen and watch the video in order to answer on your books. Okay, you need to practice your English. Now, here I have reading strategy. Okay, says compound nouns are formed with different combination of words. Compound nouns. Okay, when I say compound nouns, are like a word made of two words. For example, noun plus noun, Schuster. For example, a drugstore, or a verb plus noun, sleeping bag. Sleeping bag. Okay, sleeping is the verb and bag is the noun. No, can you find them? Yes, in the reading there are a few. For example, in the very north of Sweden, there is a village of only about 1,000 inhabitants. In winter, temperatures are normally around minus 10 degrees Celsius. The nights are long and there are only 3 hours daylight. Day and light. No, there are two words here, day and light. Noun plus noun. Day is not a verb, of course. No, it's an example. Now let's continue. When reading a text, make sure you notice words that form a compound noun. The surrounding context can help you identify them. Okay, compound nouns. Let's see. Here in number 3, the idea is much clearly to you. For example, a compound noun is formed by two words. For example, here says sleeping bag. Okay, sleeping bag. For example, subway was in the vocabulary. Can you remember subway? Subway. Here is subway station. Now let's see if there is a station. Stand, bag, mall, shop, station. Subway station. The place where you wait for the subway. Okay? Or bus station or taxi station. For example, okay? GIF. Let's continue with GIF. GIF what? GIF stand, GIF mall. Let's see. It was here. It was from here. Where was the museum? With a souvenir shop. Souvenir shop. Gift shop could be a possibility. No, a place. No, a store where you can buy a gift. Okay. This is very easy. Day. I told you before. Starting this sport. Daylight. Daylight. Very easy shopping. Shopping mall. And news. This was a word from the vocabulary. Remember, newsstand. Newsstand. So let's remember. Sleeping bag, subway station, gift shop, daylight, shopping mall, newsstand. So, class, the idea is to look for these compound nouns. Compound nouns are very used in English, so be careful. Okay, in class, we're going to look for as much compound nouns as we can in this article. Now, one of them is daylight. Now, let's see if I can buy. Sorry, I can see another one like souvenir shop. Let's see what else. I don't know. There are many. Sleeping bags here, no? Sleeping bags. Let's see. Well, in class we're going to check another's. Now, okay, remember the topic compound nouns. Noun plus noun or verb plus noun. Now let's see. Scan the review and answer the questions. So here I have 4 questions. How long are the nights in the winter? Why is the village quiet? What special things do guests use inside the ice hotel? Why do you think there aren't any ice hotels in Morocco or Italy? So this is going to be for you. We're going to check it in our classes. So, but if you can go to the reading activity, a place with a difference, and try to look for the answers. And that could be useful in our classes. Thank you very much. See you in another video.